Understanding the Whoop charging cable is essential for maintaining your Whoop device and ensuring it remains fully functional. The Whoop charging cable is a specialized cable designed to recharge your Whoop device. First, locate the charging port on your Whoop device, which is usually found on the side or bottom of the device. Next, take the charging cable and insert the smaller end into the charging port on your Whoop device, making sure it is securely connected. The other end of the charging cable is a standard USB connector that can be plugged into a computer, wall adapter, or any other USB power source. Once the cable is connected to both the Whoop device and the power source, the device will begin to charge. It is essential to use the official Whoop charging cable to avoid any potential damage to your device. Using a third-party cable can cause inconsistent charging, overheating, or even damage to the device's battery. To ensure safe and efficient charging, always keep the charging cable away from water and extreme temperatures. Also, avoid overcharging your device, as this can reduce the battery's lifespan. Best practices for using the Whoop charging cable include charging your device regularly to maintain a healthy battery, avoiding the use of damaged or frayed cables, and keeping the charging port on your device clean and free of debris. By following these steps and guidelines, you can ensure your Whoop device remains fully functional and the charging cable operates efficiently. Always refer to the official Whoop documentation for specific instructions on charging and maintaining your device.